All right, check this out. We got some nice exhaust parts here. Gonna fix my exhaust that rusted out on my Tundra. Got some more stuff for the brakes. Unbox these here. See what we got. This should be the rotors. There we go. Let's see what's in here. There we go. We got our brake rotors here. And we got this other box here. This is probably our pads. Let's get that one opened up. There we go. Awesome. Just what we ordered here. This is element 3 pads. That should be good. We got the calipers, so we're all good to go for our brake job. Awesome. Thanks, Parts Avatar.